Hi guys, welcome to a second tutorial on Java. And in here we have our 8 primitives, right? Boolean, byte, char even, short, int, long, float, and double. Okay, so you can look up what the values go to. Boolean is either true or false. A byte is just between -127 and 127. A char can be any character. You got the short, you have your int, which is bigger than a short, you have your long, you have your float, which you have your double as well. Okay, float and double are with decimal points. I just didn't put a decimal point into this one, but they are. Okay, then you can print all these out and you'll see the values. Okay, now a string is a class, and I've given this a variable name of my text, and it holds the value of me. And I will print that out. Now, even though I have printed out here, we'll just run it again for you since we're here looking at it. And there you go. You see, prints them all out down here to the console. Let me see this. I'm just going to block these out here for a minute. I just want to show you one other little thing here. Okay. Actually, will I? Let's see now. No, I'll tell you what. I'll see you in the next tutorial, and I'm gonna go through something with you. Okay. Okay. Catch you later, guys. Take care. Bye bye.